Hello and welcome to removing auto-added zeros from the Canvas gradebook. Sometimes when importing your course or copying assignments from one course to another can lead to some automatically added zeros for your students' scores. So we'll have a look at the gradebook and see how we can change these so it does not go against the student. If you have an assignment where zeros were given to your student and you want to adjust this, we'll click on the kebab menu or the three vertical dots right next to the title of that assignment. From here, you're going to select Set Default Grade, and in the pop-up box, you're going to add a dash and then click the box for Overwrite Already Entered Grades. Then click Set Default Grade. This will give you a pop-up block letting you know that some student scores will be updated. Click OK, and you will see that the assignment has now been reset. If you have an assignment that has been auto-populated with an incomplete for a grade of complete incomplete, we'll follow the same process. Click on the kebab menu or the three vertical dots and select Set Default Grade. From here, select the dashes from the drop-down menu and select Overwrite Already Entered Grades. Click Set Default Grade, and we will see this same pop-up window saying that 2 student scores will be updated. Click OK. We can see now that the student who previously had an X for incomplete now has no grade, and the student who was previously marked as complete now has a submission icon in order to review their grade and mark as complete manually. I hope this helps clear out some of those auto zeros in order to help your students' grade more accurately reflect their progress in your course.